Colorado congressman plans to spend a lot more time at an immigration detention center in Aurora. Jason Crow says he'll be visiting that privately run facility every week to make sure that detainees are being treated humanely. Our political specialist Sean Boyd joining us. Sean, the congressman has serious concerns.
Yeah, Jim, he told me ICE isn't providing adequate oversight at the facility, pointing to 24 cases of mumps and chickenpox. While Tri-County Health says workers have undergone voluntary training and the outbreaks are contained, Crow wants more accountability, even if it means going there himself every week.
Well, I walked into this facility and it was a prison.
Congressman Jason Crow says what he saw in this immigration detention facility defied human decency.
Here we have in our community a facility that houses over 1,000 detainees. They've had now over half a dozen disease outbreaks.
He fired off a letter to U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement in February, questioning what its protocol was for treating those outbreaks and what it was doing to ensure detainees who were quarantined were treated humanely. This week, he got a response.
One of the shocking responses was they're not taking any responsibility for the health conditions and oversight of these facilities. They're just saying they have no operational control and these are contracted facilities, which is really stunning to me.
ICE pushed back, saying while it does not have medical authority in private facilities like this, it assigns field medical coordinators to ensure that appropriate medical services are provided and takes very seriously the health, safety, and welfare of those in custody. But Crow points to an unannounced visit by the Inspector General last year that found, quote, serious issues, including segregation and no in-person visitation. He says he will now be doing his own inspections weekly.
The vast majority of the people in this facility are actually asylum seekers, and they're being locked up and kept like prisoners, and they're being subjected to these disease outbreaks. People of our community deserve to know what's being done.
ICE says it doesn't know what percentage of the people housed in the facility are from the border, but it says of the people it's arrested and detained there, 85% have been charged or convicted of a crime. It also says it supports tours of its facilities as long as they are arranged in advance. Crow told me he or a staff member will be making weekly visits there indefinitely. Karen?
All right, Sean, thank you.